Hello children, now I will teach you how to place these numbers in order. Now previous lesson you learned 1 to 5. Now this lesson you are going to learn 6 to 10. Now these numbers are here 7, 9, 6, 10, 8. They are not in order. We have to place them in order, right? Now what is the first number after 5? After 5, what is the first number after 5? The first number after 5 is 6. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is this number 6? Yes, this is number 6. Now we'll take this 6 and place first the number here 6. Number 6. After 5, number 6. Now we'll see after 6. After 6, what is the number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the number? Number 7. Where's number 7? After 6, number 7. Here, number 7. Am I correct? Here, number 7. Yes, this is number 7. We'll put number 7 next to number 6. Here 6, 7. Then what is the next number? Is it 9? 6, 7, 9? Is it correct? No. 6, 7, 10? No. 6, 7, 10? Wrong. 6, 7, 8. What is the number after 7? 8. Where's number 8? Here 9. Here 10, here 8. Yeah, we'll take this 8 and here number 8. After 7, number 8. 6, 7, 8. Now what's the number after 8? After 8, 10. Huh? 8, 10. No, 8, 9. 8, 9. Here number 9. Yes, we'll take, put it here after number 8, number 9. Now we'll read 6, 7, 8, 9. Then after 9, here number 10. After 9, number 10. Number 10. After number 9, number 10. Now all the numbers are in order from 6 to 10. 6 to 10. Here 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now correct. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Earlier lesson you learned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you will know 1 to 10 numbers. Okay. Now I will teach you some more sums in future lessons. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and enjoy your counting lessons. Thank you very much.